In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your image on Google Chrome's homepage as a background. This is a simple and fun way to personalize your browsing experience, whether you want to look at a beautiful landscape, a favorite family photo, or anything else that brings a smile to your face every time you open your browser. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this customization your own. To get started, open a new tab in Google Chrome. You'll immediately see the default homepage that you're used to, but we're about to change that. Now, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll notice a little pencil icon. This Customize Chrome button is key to personalizing your browser. Go ahead and click it to open up a menu of customization options. Once you've clicked the pencil icon, you're going to see a variety of choices appear. From this menu, select Upload from Device. This option allows you to choose an image that's stored on your computer, giving you the freedom to use any photo you have on hand. Maybe it's that beautiful sunset you captured last summer or a motivating quote graphic you love. Whatever it is, make sure it's saved on your device. After selecting Upload from Device, your computer's file browser will pop up. Take your time to navigate through your folders and find the image that you want to use. Once you've found the perfect image, click on it and then hit Open. This will upload the image to Chrome and set it as your new homepage background. Finally, to complete the process, you'll need to confirm this change. You can do this by clicking Done within the customization menu. Alternatively, you can simply close the menu and your changes should be saved automatically. When you open a new tab moving forward, you should see your chosen image beautifully displayed as the background. And there you have it. You've just customized your Google Chrome homepage with your own image. This is a fantastic way to make your daily internet browsing a little more personal and enjoyable. Remember that you can change this image anytime using the same steps, should you want to refresh the look or pick a new favorite photo. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.